All right, hi guys. And if you ever just wondered what things are for, like I have here, this little thing. And do you know what it's called, Julie?
An acorn.
No, it's not an acorn.
Nut. I mean
Well,
pecan.
it's kind of a nut, but it is called a pecan. Can you see that? Up close?
Yeah.
And they come on trees and they fall off, and then you can take them out of their shell.
Like I am.
And eat them like Julie. And so what we have for
eating one.
Oh, okay. So what we have for you today is we have a great big machine, a tractor, and he's gonna come and connect it to our pecan tree, and it's gonna go around the trunk of the tree, and then it's gonna shake the tree, and these all fall down, and then we'll pick them up. All right, let's go along. Come on.
We don't want it to get lost. It's the nuts in the grass.
In the grass.
Set tarps.
Okay. What are you doing, Julie? You picking up acorns or nuts?
We don't want him to run over like he done before. So the tractor.
Uncle Sam being annoying again.
Okay,
That's what uncles are for.
Don't put your hand in the way. Get your thing.
Oh, you made her cry.
What a bully.
What a bully. Go say you're sorry. Give her a hug. Oh, good thing grandpas are here. Okay, since Uncle Sam hurt Julie, we're gonna do a little challenge between Uncle Sam, Uncle Henry, and me. We're gonna pick up a couple pecans. Let's do 5 pecans. And whoever makes it in the bucket, the most in the bucket, is the winner. The one with the least amount in the bucket has to stand under the tree while it's being shaked. Shaked, yes. I don't know how to say it.
Haha.
It looks like Henry's not going in. Okay, you got to make at least 2. Hurry up, he's going. You made 2?
I don't know. I wasn't tracking.
I think you made it so it's me that has to stand under there.
That's what you get.
Crap. All right, here's the tractor man. He's gonna get that little machine, or big machine, and hook it to the tree and shake all these. And they're all gonna come all down onto the tarp.
And you're gonna stand right under it.
Yep, I gotta stand right under it. All right, I got my helmet on. I gotta go stand under the tree and get hit with the pecans. All right, let's do this. I think you got hit more than I did.
I think I did.
Okay, now that you got all the pecans in these tarps, you just dump them into the bucket instead of having to pick them all up. Pretty easy, huh? So the trick is to have your uncles just do everything, huh? While we just sit here. So it's a good thing we invited them. Yeah, you agree? Uh-huh.
The guy left.
Oh, he went to go do the other tree. Okay, Julie's gonna film us cleaning up the nuts. Isn't she just so cute?
Say hi, Grandpa.
Hi.
How you doing? Hi. Okay. I totally stepped on Jenny's shoes when we were going to like Fiesta Fun. No, like, I don't know.
Hi, YouTubers. All right, Julie. We only have one broom, so time to bring out the big guns, the machine. It's cold. Push it all the way. Push the button in all the way. There you go. Yeah, get all those.
You kind of think.
Do it again? Yeah.
I'll do it to me. I can't breathe!
All right, and after we're done working, they play hard. Hi guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click the subscribe button and share with your friends. And remember last video when we had these little ice packs and we said, why do you put them on a body part that's really sore and hurts? And why do you think you do that, Julie?
Because people probably got bucked off a horse and it hurts on their head. Like I got done by my lip. I had to go to the dentist.
Oh yeah. Did you get all that? She fell off a horse and ripped her lip open and she had to go to the dentist and get stitches and put ice on there because it helps to make it so it's not so red and there's a lot of inflammation. That's a big word,
Yeah,
but
right
it makes
here.
it feel better.
It's right here.
Yeah. And also for our next video, have you ever wondered what this thing is? Show you up close.
Do the upside.
It looks like a gauge. What?
Do the upside.
And we're gonna show you on the next video what you think it is.
I know what it is.
You do? Okay. Click on the next video to see what you think it is. All right, until then, see you guys. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.